Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to read a Turnitin Similarity Report in Canvas. Let's get started by accessing the report. To access the Turnitin Similarity Report, start by clicking on the Grades tab in your course menu. Find the student's submission for the assignment and click the SpeedGrader link. In SpeedGrader, look for the colored similarity score icon next to the submission. This score represents the percentage of matched content. Click on the icon to open the Turnitin Similarity Report in a new window. Once inside the Turnitin Similarity Report, you'll see the overall similarity score at the top. Let's dive into the key features. Under Match Groups, highlighted sections of the document are grouped by source. Click on a group to see all matched content for a specific source. In Sources, the right-hand panel lists all sources contributing to the similarity score. Click on any source to view matched text side by side with the original source. If a match is not relevant, for example a properly cited reference, you can exclude it by clicking the Exclude Match button. This will recalculate the similarity score. The Filters icon allows you to refine the report. You can exclude quoted materials and bibliographies or set a threshold to exclude matches below a certain word count. These adjustments help focus on significant matches while ignoring less relevant text. Now you can see that the similarity report percentage has changed according to your new filters and preferences. Next, check the Flags tab for suspicious behavior. This tab highlights areas where students may have manipulated text, such as replacing characters or using invisible formatting to bypass plagiarism detection. Turnitin now includes an AI writing tab, which identifies portions of the text likely generated by AI tools. These sections are flagged with a confidence percentage. Use this feature to evaluate whether students have adhered to assignment guidelines regarding AI use. It's important to note that AI Writing tab is still a work in progress and may not always be 100% accurate. Use it as a guideline alongside your own judgment when reviewing student submissions. In summary, the Turnitin Similarity Report is a powerful tool for evaluating academic integrity. Remember, the report highlights potential issues but requires thoughtful review to ensure fair evaluation and to guide the students toward better academic practices. Thanks for watching this video.